Let's look at this one. Again, pause and see if you can solve it, and then yeah, check if the answer is correct. Um, a pharmacy technician earns $22 per hour. She works 45 hours this week. Hours above 40 are paid a time and a half, right? After taxes, she keeps 85% of her earnings. Approximately how much money does she take home? She worked 45 hours this week, and hours over 40 are paid a time and a half, right? So let's look for regular work hours. Regular, or let's just say regular pay, right? Is gonna be equal to what? 40 times $22, right? So which is gonna give us what? 880, right? $880, right? Now, now she worked what? She worked 5 hours overtime, because if you look at it, she worked 45 hours, which is equal to 40 regular hours plus 5 hours overtime. So overtime is gonna be equal to 5 times. Now a time and a half is gonna be what? Times 1.5 times 22 hours, right? So let's see what that gives us. So the extra pay was $165. So in total, she was paid a gross amount of what? 165 plus $880, which is equal to $1,045. Now, take home pay. It's gonna be 85%. That is 85 over 100 times what? Times $1,045, which is gonna be equal to what? Which is gonna be equal to 888.25, right? So you see that the answer here is A. All right, perfect.